Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your last drone inspection cost €25,000. You got a 60-slide PDF with beautiful thermal images and a summary that asset condition is acceptable. 3 months later, production dropped 4%. Nobody saw it coming. What went wrong? The industry treats electroluminescence and thermal imaging like documentation rather than diagnostics. Typical inspections, drone flies, images get reviewed manually, defects are circled in red, and reports say monitor these areas. Nothing happens until there is a catastrophic failure. Manual image review catches obvious failures, but misses early stage PID visible in EL and invisible in thermal. It misses micro cracks causing slow degradation and string level performance drift from partial shading. Soiling gradients affecting specific rows are often overlooked. Even when defects are found, they are not quantified, so operators do not know which are urgent. EL and thermal imaging must be integrated into your performance model rather than treated as standalone snapshots. Step 1. Automated AI analysis, processing every image with computer vision trained on over 10 million solar images. We detect hotspots in thermal, cracks and PID in EL, soiling in RGB and vegetation encroachment automatically. Step 2. SCADA correlation, matching each defect to its string and inverter and cross-referencing production data. If a thermal hotspot on string 12 correlates with a 3% production drop, you prioritize repair. Step 3. Financial impact modeling calculates current power loss, projected degradation and repair cost versus revenue recovery. Step 4. Defects become part of your performance baseline. A 75 megawatt portfolio had annual thermal inspections, but defects were only recommended for monitoring. Over 3 years, performance ratio drifted from 93% to 89.5%. Our AI analysis identified over 1,200 panels with PID progression, invisible in thermal and clear in EL. We correlated defects to 18 underperforming strings in SCADA and modeled a 3.2% total loss worth €580,000 per year. We built a repair priority matrix with tier 167 panels to replace, now with ROI, under 6 months. After tier 1 repairs, PR jumped to 91.8%, recovering €420,000 annually with a €52,000 investment. The drone images were always there, but the intelligence was not. Your drone inspections should do something, not just document something. Visit ClearSpot AI and request your AI-powered inspection report. You will get automated defect detection across thermal, electroluminescence, and RGB with SCADA-validated performance correlation. You will also get financial impact modeling with repair ROI and a prioritized action plan with MWH recovery projections. Stop treating inspections as compliance and start treating them as intelligence. ClearSpot AI, because nice photos do not pay the bills, but performance data does. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.